Hello, this week's video looking at Google Sheets. I'm going to give you a couple of tips and tricks that hopefully you'll find useful. So the first one is, sometimes you end up with information that you've got, for example, first and surnames in the same cell, and ideally you'd like them in a different cell. Now you could spend all that time copying and pasting surnames into a second cell, or if you click copy, we select the text, we then delete it, we then hit paste. One of the paste options is to split the text into columns. If we could select that and then choose by space, it automatically does the job for you. So it's putting the surname into a separate column. So that's one trick and a great tip if you're looking to, as I say, to separate first names and surnames into columns. The other thing recently introduced is something called Sparkline. Sparkline provides you with graphs in cell. So you can see these graphs in cell. So if we select this last one, we can see the command there, and I'll put a link to this in the description. You can copy that. So Sparkline is the command. You then select the cells, you choose the type. So in this case it's a column, but you can do a line or a bar. You can select your maximum number, and you can select the colors as well. So we copy that and we can paste that in there. Obviously we don't need it to be quite as high as that, so we'll just remove that, and we can see there's our information. So a really quick way to get a visual interpretation of what's happening within the cells using the Sparkline function. So I'll add Sparkline commands into the description of the video, but a great way to show a visual summary in cell. And then the final thing I wanted to show you is the explore function. So the explore function is something that we've covered in the past in relation to Google Sheets, but it's really good, Google Slides even, but it's really good in Google Sheets as well. So we hit explore. What we can do is we can change the formatting, we can look at some analysis that it's extracted for us, but what we can also do is we can ask a question. So if we wanted to know a particular question, we could ask the question. So let's say that particular one, and it will give us the answer and the information. But what the great thing is, you can then extract that by going C formula. We can then copy that information and paste that in ourselves. So we can pretend that we're a whiz at creating formula, when in fact we've got the explore function of Google Sheets to do it. So it's a really great way to extract information from a spreadsheet. You simply ask it the question and it works the formula out for you. So there are 3 tips for using Google Sheets. The first one was splitting information in a cell into 2 columns. The second one was the use of Sparkline, where we could create graphs within a cell. And then the third part is the explore function, which, as I say, has such a wide range of features, from formatting to analysis. We can see the various analysis it's picking out there, and we can also, the easiest way, we can ask it a question about the data and it will cut the data up for us. And then having done that, we can also ask to look at the formula, so we can copy and use that formula and edit it further. So hope you found the video useful. If you did, please like it, please share it, remember to subscribe, and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.